Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by identifying the mic type and connecting it so audio flows right away. Plug the cable or interface into your computer, then install drivers or firmware if required. Once done, open System Sound Settings and grant microphone access to your DAW or app. Make sure to set the sample rate to 44, 1 or 48 kHz, and reduce initial gain to about 20–40% to avoid clipping. These first steps let you monitor real input and prevent distortion before recording starts. You now refine capture by focusing on physical placement and signal chain. Place a pop filter and set the mic 6 to 12 inches away at a slight angle to reduce plosives and sibilance. Then, adjust the preamp gain while watching peak meters. Aim for peaks around -12 to -6 dB so headroom remains. Once levels are set, enable the low-cut filter near 80 to 120 Hz to remove rumble, and gently boost presence by 3 to 6 decibels if speech sounds dull. You finish by validating recordings and preparing for common issues. Record a short test clip and listen carefully through closed-back headphones for latency, hum, clicks, or room reflections. If you hear delay, enable direct monitoring on your interface or lower the buffer to 64 to 256 samples. Should persistent noise remain, troubleshoot. Check cable and connector integrity, try a different USB port or ground, and consider a gentle noise gate or spectral repair during editing to remove residual hiss or hum.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.